Duct cleaning is where carpet cleaning was back in the late 60s and early 70s. Indoor air quality is just becoming top of mind for homeowners. Dust, allergies, mold issues, suspect mold issues, fungus, germs, COPD, breathing issues.
Between tenants, you clean the carpets to ensure a fresh, odorless unit for the new renter. If your units are occupied by tenants that own pets, smoke, or who regularly cook, these odors are also in the air ducts. Dirty ducts not only provide a great environment for these odors, they also help circulate them throughout the entire unit. Now with the powerful and portable Brush Beast by Rotobrush, cleaning air ducts has never been easier or more affordable. Are you paying a service company to clean the air ducts between tenants? If you are, then our Brush Beast is the perfect in-house system to clean your own air ducts and save money. The Brush Beast is the most powerful air duct system on the market. Equipped with the SpeedTray carrier, it's now the most portable. Multiple storage options and holders for your power tools, magnets for additional brushes, a fogger holder, and even a cup holder are all included on the SpeedTray carrier. Even better, the Brush Beast system can be operated and maneuvered up and down stairs by a single person. And with our exclusive RotoVision video inspection system, you can easily inspect the ductwork prior to or during cleaning. Clean air ducts are essential for ensuring your units are odor-free. Call us today at 1-800-535-3878.